Most people think generating leads and automating outreach is complicated, but here's the surprising truth. Tools like Cometly can simplify the entire process. Today, I'm giving you an honest review before you use it. Cometly is a LinkedIn automation and lead generation platform. It allows users to automate connection requests, follow-ups, and messaging sequences to generate new leads and grow professional networks. Most people get this wrong by assuming LinkedIn outreach is purely manual. Cometly saves time by handling repetitive tasks while allowing personalization for each prospect, reducing the risk of appearing spammy. You won't believe what happens next. The platform includes CRM-style tracking, showing who responded, open messages, or click links. This makes it easy to refine campaigns and focus on high-value prospects. The tool also provides analytics on connection rates, response rates, and campaign performance. This data-driven approach helps users optimize messaging for better results. Now the downsides. LinkedIn has strict policies, and aggressive automation can result in account restrictions. Cometly requires careful use to avoid violating platform rules. Some advanced features are only available on higher subscription plans. The surprising truth about Cometly is that automation isn't about replacing personal interaction, it's about scaling it. With the right strategy, you can generate more leads while maintaining genuine engagement. So who should use Cometly? Sales professionals, business development teams, and entrepreneurs who rely on LinkedIn for networking and lead generation. Casual users may not need all features. If this review helped you understand Cometly and its potential, subscribe for more honest lead generation and automation tool reviews before committing to a plan.